In this session, we will learn about plastics. So in your day-to-day activities, you use varieties of articles made from plastics. Say for example, you use cups, straws, and chairs, tables, so many items you use in your daily life. So what are these plastics? These plastics, they are the synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds that are malleable and can be molded into solid objects. Malleable means which can be drawn into sheets. So these plastics, they can be easily molded into different solid objects. Hence, these plastics are used to make variety of objects. You can see in the image, chair, bucket, cups, all varieties of bottles. So all these you use daily. So this plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fiber. All these plastics, they do not have the same type of arrangement. The polymer linkage, it is not same for all the plastic. In some plastic it is linear. Linear means in a straight line. In some plastics it is cross-linked. You can see in the image. Some are linear and some are cross-linked arrangements. Okay, next, you take the plastic and you try to bend it. So can all the plastic articles be bent easily? No. Some can be bent easily and some cannot be bent easily. Okay. So based on this, we have different types of plastics, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics means the plastics which can be deformed on heating and can be bent easily. Say for example, polythene and PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. So this PVC, it is used to make pipes. Here you can see in the image, these pipes are made by this PVC. Means when you heat the plastic, it can be deformed and molded into a desired shape. So these are thermoplastics. Thermo means heat. And thermosetting plastics. So these plastics, they cannot be deformed on heating. Once if you mold it, again you cannot change it. So it is very hard. It cannot be softened by heating. Such plastics are called as thermosetting plastics. Say for example, bakelite and melamine. So in the image, first two images, I'll show you. So these two are bakelite and these two are made from the melamine. So the handles of cooker, these are bakelite, and here you can see the dinner set. These are made from the melamine. Okay, so the plastics, they are very hard. Once molded, they cannot be deformed on heating. Such plastics are called as thermosetting plastics. Then where do you use these plastics? What are the uses of these plastics? So there are varieties of uses of plastics are there. So in the trains, in the planes, in automobiles, and also in the ships, satellites, and in space stations. So these plastics are used extensively. Okay, and in your television, sound system, in your cell phone, vacuum cleaner, furnitures are made up of plastics, chair or the stool, seats. So there are varieties of materials which are made from the plastics. and also in the medical field. The plastics are used. Then what are the properties of these plastics? So their strength. So what do you mean by strength? Means the plastics are very strong and can be used for load bearing structural members, and they are weather resistant. Means these plastics they are resisting weather effects. Durability. So what do you mean by durability? They can be used for a longer time. And they are chemical resistance. Means they are resistant to chemicals and also the moisture. And plastics are available in a variety of colors. Opaque objects and also the transparent objects are also present. And plastics are clean, light and shining. So they need not be given any finish such as painting and polishing. Next, what are these biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances? And is the plastic a biodegradable or non-biodegradable? So you know what are biodegradable, which gets decomposed by the microorganisms. Say for example, plant and animal waste, paper, wood, cloth, all these are decomposed by the microorganisms. But some of the materials, they are not decomposed by the microorganisms. Those are called as non-biodegradable substances. This plastic is a non-biodegradable substance. Aluminium, metal cans, all these are the non-biodegradable substances. So because of this non-biodegradable, this plastic will cause the pollution. So it will affect the environment. So how it will affect the environment? It will cause pollution. So this plastic, it will take many years to decompose. It is not environmental friendly. So it causes the environmental pollution. So when you burn the plastic, it will release the poisonous fumes into the atmosphere. So this will cause the air pollution. So what you have to do? You have to avoid the use of the plastics as far as possible. Okay. This plastic pollution, it causes the human beings, animals and plants through the toxic pollutants. So how you have to reduce this pollution? By following the 5R principle. So it is the duty or the responsibility of each and every citizen to follow this 5R principle. So what is that? Reduce, reuse, recycle, revive and restore. Thank you.